Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw beautiful river maps using Python, GeoPandas and Matplotlib. For this I'm going to use a dataset published by the United Nations FAO. I'm going to share the link with you as well. And now let's just dive into the Python code. So here we are in my usual Python terminal. And first things first, I should import GeoPandas and Matplotlib. And also let me just quickly parse in the data file. So I will store it in this geodata frame I will call rivers. And if I remember the file name correctly, it's Africa. Something like this. Yep, we got it. So it's going to be a large data file. It should contain all riverbeds and all potential drains resulted in simulations and computations. So it's not all actual rivers, but there are many drains and modeled entities there as well. Altogether, nearly 200,000 line polygons. So if we just take a quick look, rivers.head, for example, the first 5 rows, then we will see a bunch of identifiers. We can also see the region these are located. And if we keep scrolling, then we will see something called the Strahler or Strahler ID, which is actually an identifier about the order of the streams and rivers, and one about the geometry. So let's do the plot. How would we do that? So we will need a new canvas. Here I will use, again, for example, 8 and 6 inches. That seems to be like an alright size. And let me just define a column which I will call width. Which is the result of some careful experimentations. So first I will define the width of each line polygon as the inverse of the Strahler or Strahler index. And I will also scale it and totally random number just by dividing it by 7. But we can play around with these like normalization parameters and constants and see which of them gives the nicest final result. So here now we have this new extra column, and let's just plot this geodata frame. I will use the Strahler index as a plotted column, use this axis. For the line width, I will use the data frame's width column we just created, and I will use a blue color map. Additionally, I will set a black background color. And I will switch off the horizontal and vertical axis. And voila! After a few seconds, we should be there, good to go, and walk away with our nice, beautiful Python-based river map. So, okay, almost there. Yeah, there was a little error, so there is no color map called blue, it is called blues. So good thing we had this error, we learned from it, right? Again, a few more seconds. It takes a little longer than the usual plots we have done so far, because I'm writing many typos today, but also because this dataset is a lot bigger than what we have seen before in this tutorial, either in the case of the natural Earth world map or in the case of the little smile we created last time. But finally, here we are. We have this nice, beautiful map of Africa, all the rivers and all the potential drains and riverbeds visualized. So that was it for today. Thank you very much for following me, and hope you had fun creating this map, and hope to see you next week. Bye.